Now, I've been having a lot of locomotive troubles recently, and here's one of them, my Kato SD-45 of the Santa Fe, number 5300. Now, this locomotive had suffered some damage after it fell right out of my cabinet thing on my wall when I was swapping locomotives out for some other locomotives that were relatively better. And now my Santa Fe, this is like my only other working Santa Fe, because I have another one that I'll show later that short-circuited, but this one fell right out of the shelf and it has some damage on the front. As you can see, there's some cracks. In the back, you can definitely see some crackage. And the handrail came apart, and the horns are off. Whatever this thing right here was came off. The handbrake was off. The whole body of the locomotive was off. Some weights fell out. I have no clue where that was. Both couplers were shattered, so I put some new ones in. And there's some detail issues that are like right here. That's all gone. And there's this front handrail I somehow lost. It came off. The glue job wasn't good enough, but so after it happened, it was just the body itself. The whole frame of it was gone. It was on my workbench. I was about to put it back on, but I had to see if it still ran. But somehow it survived and still works really well. And I was gonna run a train in a bit, but I'm gonna show some more of my locomotive problems, and I'll get right back. Now here's another Kato locomotive that actually this one doesn't run. Now this is a Kato -9 number 600, but up here it says 650. I have no clue why that's there, but it used to run, but it wasn't long before it had its problems, and then finally stopped working. And it wasn't around long enough. Here's a locomotive that wasn't around long enough for me to make a video on it. Now this is a Kato -9 number 600 of the Santa Fe, and I'm pretty sure it has a short circuit somewhere, but I have no clue because I ain't that good of a repair guy. But if I get power on the track, I'm giving a lot of power right now, even though my control is weak. I did open this up quite a few times, and it did absolutely nothing. Now I got this one a couple of years back, and it doesn't run. It's a great detail. I don't know why it doesn't run. I'm pretty sure it's a short circuit. I put another locomotive on the track earlier, and it wasn't doing anything, both of them. And I took this one off, and then that other locomotive starts going, so I'm pretty sure it has a short circuit. Now this one, I even got in the original box. It was originally priced $119, and I got it for like around, I think I got it for like 60 or 80, I don't know. I think I got the other Kato for 60. But I've had this one here because I'm looking to get it fixed. But now this locomotive, here, hold on, let me turn that control. This locomotive, I don't know. I think something happened like, I don't know, like 10 minutes ago. But it wasn't working at all. Now it is. I don't know which one it was. I think it was this one because the light was coming on, but I had nothing from the motor. I have no clue what that was about. But now this one I bought like this. This is a Proto 2000. I think it's an SD9 of the Southern Pacific. I bought it because I love the paint scheme. It was supposed to run, but you can see it. The camera doesn't run well. If anyone knows how to fix that, I'm trying to get that one fixed along with that Santa Fe one I just showed. That one, I bought it for, I don't know, $50. Original case too, I think I accidentally threw that away. But yeah, that one. And the last one I'm probably gonna show in this episode, whatever, is this rotary snowplow. I printed that Southern Pacific logo, but now it's seen action. Actually, used to work really well. The sparks coming through on the track, as you can see. Make sure these wheels are not in check. Give me 1 second. See, underside, there's this thing right here. As I feel it's out of place. The wheels, real stiff. And this one hasn't run a little bit. I know I ain't never gonna have snow on my layout. And once I get a bigger layout, and I have an actual layout room, I'm a model from Bakersfield to Fresno, that area. But for right now, I just have whatever this is. Now, for some new stuff, I'm gonna show, ending the segment where I show all the broken stuff. This, I was missing this part right here. It's an old Wathers. It's an Amtrak 3-wheel. I have no clue where I forget. I think I got a box of somebody's collection. And this one, 3 wheels, small. I think it's H2 paint, or not H2, phase 2 paint scheme. Has interior, barely any seats, but yeah. Once I get an actual working Amtrak locomotive, which I did, but I tried repairing it and I failed at my job, so that don't work. I'm gonna try to get rid of all those locomotives, but featuring more new stuff right now. So we have some Amtrak Superliner cars. Have no interior though. I think I bought them recently for like $10 a piece. I had to fix the rear one. This car, I accidentally got some super glue in there, messed it all up. But I had to put these windows all in. It wasn't finished. I'm pretty sure they're both kits, but these, I think it was phase 3 paint scheme. It's a lounge car. And this is just normal coach. These are like Concord cars by the Concord brand. Here's a third Amtrak car. This one, I think it's supposed to have lighting. I just can't get in there and... Hold on. See that? I think I have volts on the track. Yeah. See? The thing? Like, that was on the rotary snowplow, so... Yeah. But at least we know it kind of works. One of the windows came out, so that's what's inside it. Bouncing around. That's what I can't figure out how to open it. It's a... Honestly, I don't know. If anyone knows, tell me. Now, while we were recording this video, my old Varney UP caboose wheel thing, the chassis kind of split right here where the screw goes in, and I couldn't put the screw came out. I couldn't put the truck back in. And the original truck, there's something that goes right there, so it wasn't touching the chassis when it was on the line. So there's nothing I can do about that now. I just need to find a new screw for that, and yeah. My voice is all messed up, so I'm gonna sound a little different in this video. But back to this, the whole reason why anyone probably would click on this video. Yeah, I got power on the tracks. This is Santa Fe. We're gonna run some trains and run them around the layout real quick. There we go. There's some farmers back here. Now, as always, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see y'all next time.